Good morning from the Purple Raven Boutique. Katherine here. Wanted to introduce you to another style of shawl pin that the Purple Raven Boutique makes. We call this beauty the Dahlia Shawl Pin for obvious reasons. It sort of looks like a dahlia blossom. But just like the penannular pin, if you're not used to wearing it, you might be a little bit perplexed about what to do with this formidable stick pin. The first thing I want to point out is that this is a heavy gauge 14 gauge wire, so you don't want to be forcing it through a tightly woven fabric like a blouse. This is best used with a loosely woven fabric, or preferably a knitted fabric. After all, it is a shawl pin. The best way to wear this pin is to take advantage of its concave shape. It is tension that holds the pin in place, so push the fabric into the pin with your non-dominant hand. And with your dominant hand then, push the stick pin through the body of the brooch. It's best if you use a horizontal or nearly horizontal orientation for the stick pin portion of the brooch. That'll ensure you've got gravity working in your favor and that your pin is secure. If you insert it this way, it will stay secure and you'll have your pin for many years to come. Anyway, that's just a little demonstration on how to use the Dahlia style shawl pin. Purple Raven Boutique signing out for now. Have a great day.